Shwmai, Merry Christmas, Nadolig Llawen. Okay, we've got a tutorial for one of my ukulele play-along videos today that you can find on my Ukulaliens channel, and I'll pop a link to that in the description below. And it is one of my favourites, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and the version on the Ukulaliens is the Ella Fitzgerald song. Right, so what I'll do, I'll run through the chords and then show you some strumming patterns. They're only suggestions, and then the best bet then is you can go over to the Ukulaliens and play along with the song. So let's take a little look at the chords. There are actually quite a few chords. Okay, so the first one, nice and easy, A7. First finger, first fret on your C string, A7, then A minor, middle finger, second fret on the G string, A minor. Okay, B7 this time. So you're going to put your first finger, second fret on the E string, your middle finger, third fret on the C string, and your ring finger goes fourth fret on the G string, and it should look like that. Okay, same shape as an E minor but down a whole string. So your B7 should sound like that. Then we've got B minor. Now this is a bar chord. Don't panic, it's not a really difficult one. What you're going to do is put your first finger across all the strings on your second fret. Okay, so you do that first of all, and then you're going to put your ring finger on your fourth fret on the G string. Okay, B minor. If it doesn't sound quite right, make sure you're pressing that bar down, okay? Play them individually. And then put your ring finger down. Okay? So that was your B minor chord. Nice easy one. Next, C. So that's just your ring finger on third fret on the A string. Then we've got D. Now, you're going to put your first finger on the second fret on the G string, your middle finger, second fret on the C string, and then you're going to tuck your ring finger in second fret on the E string. It can be a little bit of a squeeze, okay, but that's what the pattern should look like. All right, takes a little bit of practice to get your D chord, but it should sound. And again, if it's not sounding correct, play them individually to find out which one of your fingers you're not pressing down hard enough. D7, the Hawaiian version. So first finger, second fret on the G string, and your middle finger, pop that back on, is second fret on the E string. Okay, D7, E7. You're going to put your first finger, first fret on the G string. Your second finger, your middle finger, goes second fret on the C string, and then you're going to tuck your ring finger onto your second fret on the A string. So your E7 should sound. Okay, and again, like all of them, if it doesn't sound quite right, play them individually. Then we've got E minor. This is the same shape as our B7. Okay, so it is first finger, second fret on the A string, middle finger, third fret on the E string, and then your ring finger is fourth fret on the C string. So E minor. Then we've got our last chord is our G chord. So middle finger tucked in second fret on the A string, your ring finger third fret on your E string, and your first finger stretching across second fret on your C string for our G. Okay, so the strumming pattern, as always, it's only a suggestion. If you want to do something different, no problem at all. I actually quite often mix up the strumming patterns in this song just to make it a little bit more interesting. I know down, down, up, down, down, up works. Very often you're playing down, down, up for each chord, but some chords you play it double, so just follow the little bauble as it's going across the screen. Also, it's got a little bit of a swing to it. What does that mean? Let's demonstrate. If I play, I'm going to play a G chord straight. It would be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. In other words, the down ups are the same length. With a little bit of a swing, it's as if you're skipping rather than walking. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. The up is a little bit shorter. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, I am going to be doing a tutorial on straight and swing strums very soon. So it would just sound something like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so that would be for the intro, and that strumming pattern pretty much most of the way through. And then just to give yourself a little idea of how it would go with the singing. So imagine I'm doing the intro now. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Okay, just to give you an idea, it's not the fastest song. All right, but always remember, if you're doing a play along, you can always slow the tempo down by pressing the settings underneath. Don't forget, with this song, keep it nice and light with your strumming as well. So there you go. Go and have a go with the play along. It's much, much better than trying to play along with me. I'll drop a link to the Ukulaliens below in the description. I do hope this has helped. Nadolig Llawen. Merry Christmas. Don't forget, if you've got a comment or question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more ukulele play along tutorials.